Students, we are going to see today past continuous tense, the continuation of past tense. The chapter 17, past tense and past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk of an action of actions going on at some point in the past. We form the past continuous by using was or were plus with ing form the main verb. Was or were plus with the ing form the main verb. So, past continuous tense we use the action that happened in the past but it continues for some time. To make negative, we use the word not between the auxiliary and the ing form of the verb. To make the negative, we use the word not between the auxiliary and the ing form of the main verb. In the afternoon, Harry was swimming in the village pool. Was swimming is the verb, the past continuous verb. Was plus ing form of the verb swim, swimming. In the afternoon, Harry was not swimming in the village pool. It is negative. Was not swimming is the past continuous negative. Look at the place of not. We put not between was and swimming, or auxiliary verb was and main verb swimming. So be careful. It is wrong to say in the afternoon Harry was swimming not in the village pool. Wrong. Not should be put in between the auxiliary and the main verb. We were studying for the test till night. We were not studying for the test till midnight. The children were paying attention to the lecture. The children were not paying attention to the lecture. The interrogative is formed by bringing the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. The subject comes between the auxiliary verb and the ing form of the verb. Look at the example. Shama was waiting at the cafe. Shama was waiting at the cafe. Question, was Shama waiting at the cafe? Look at here. We put the auxiliary in the beginning, then subject, then main verb. So that is a word order for making interrogative sentences. They were going on a holiday. Were they going on a holiday? Weren't they going on a holiday? The past continuous tense is often used together with the simple past to suggest that one activity was going on when another took place. The past continuous tense is often used together with the simple past to suggest that one activity was going on when another took place. In this case, two actions are taken place. One is going on, one is not going on, just stopped. Look at the example. I was sleeping when the phone rang. Phone rang is a simple action. That is the action. But was sleeping, an action that was going on for some time in the past. Rang, the action, start, completed immediately. What was going on? Was sleeping. Priya was waiting for us when we reached school. Priya was waiting for us when we reached the school. Was waiting, past continuous. Reach, simple past tense. Was waiting, the action that happened in the past, but that was going on for some time. Reach, past tense, that happened and also stopped immediately. When two actions in the past happen at the same time, we use past continuous for both. When two actions in the past happen at the same time, we use the past continuous tense for both. At the party, several people were dancing and singing. Others were eating dinner, while still others were sitting and chatting. So look at how many verbs are there? Were dancing, were chatting, were singing, were sitting and chatting. So these are, so since when all these actions are taking place the same time, there is no break. Where dancing, where eating dinner, everything is going on at the same time. Some are sitting and chatting. So the actions are happening for some time at the same time. So all the actions are to be put in past continuous tense. Gagan was watching TV while his mother was cooking dinner. Here, was watching an action continuing, was cooking. Both are happen same time. For some time, not a particular time, but for some time, and happen same time. So watching the TV and cooking, both are doing same time. So we use past continuous. Because these two actions were taking place in the past for some time. I was completing my assignment while Misha was listening to music. Was completing, past continuous. Was listening, past continuous. Both actions are going on for some time together. As the present continuous tense, certain verbs cannot be used in the past continuous tense. See page 100. In such cases, the simple past tense used. It is mentioned the page 100 and find it and study it. Hassan was thinking that he was late. Wrong. Hassan thought he was late. Mira was being my house when you came. Wrong. Mira was at my house when you came. Position of the adverb with the past tense. Adverbs like always, often, never, ever, still, just, etc. usually come right before the main verb in sentences in the simple past tense. With the past continuous, time adverbs come between auxiliary and the main verb. So in the case of past tense, the adverbs comes before. In the case of past continuous, it comes after the auxiliary. Look at the sentence. Father always brought us gift when he came back from his trip. Mother often let us stay up late on Sundays. Both are simple past tense. So we use always adverb, often adverb, the beginning of the past tense. Look at the next example. We were just finishing lunch when Ritu called. So just is the adverb we use between the auxiliary and the main verb, where then comes the adverb, then finishing. We were still waiting, where auxiliary, still adverb, waiting, main verb. So you do the exercises. The exercises are done by me. So summarize the past continuous. Past continuous we use to show an action that happened in the past for some time. The verb form of past continuous tense is was or were plus ing form of the verb. When we make it negative past continuous, you have to put the negative word not, not, between auxiliary and main verb. When you make interrogative sentence in past continuous tense, bring was or were in the beginning of the sentence, then bring subject, then main verb and the following. So this is about past continuous. Thank you.